Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy a listing on Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all we'll be needing to do now is to simply go to our shop manager and then go to the listing page. So here we need just to click on the shop manager that we can see here. Now after clicking, it will take us to our dashboard. Now we are just interested to go into the listing page. So by clicking on listings, we will be able to reach the listing page. So now we will need just to search for our listings that we are or that we need or want to copy. So in my case, I have them all expired, and basically you can simply click on uh, this gear icon, and from here you will find this pop-up menu. So here, as you can see, there is the edit, copy, deactivate, renew, etc. So we are interested in is of course copying the listing. By clicking on copy, it will already uh, add all the informations from your listing to here or from your listing to this new listing. And here you can find publish copy. So basically, you will be needing to do your changes. So for example, this title, it can be anything, and uh, you can change whatever you'd like, and then you can publish copy with changes. Otherwise, if you want to have just the same listing with and just copy it so you can have some more visibility or just to duplicate it, etc. You can simply click on publish copy and that's it. And basically, if you want to do any changes, as we say, and as you can see, the publish copy will be added, we will be adding the changes to your listing. So simply, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.